Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 here, and we're at the bench right now with the Mishimoto coolant expansion tank for the 2015 and up F150s. So we're going to do an unboxing and a little overview of what you get here with this tank. But first, make sure you head down below, click subscribe, keep up with all of our YouTube videos, and also follow us on Instagram. That being said, we'll get right into it here. So Mishimoto's stuff always comes pretty nicely packaged. We like the way that they brand everything too. It all looks really clean. You feel like you're getting a good quality product before you even open the box. So there's a little foam on the top, and then the tank just sits in there like so. And there's some foam in the bottom too to keep it padded during shipping so you don't get it all dented up. Pull out of the plastic here. All right, and there you go. That's the tank itself. The Mishimoto coolant expansion tank has a couple advantages over your factory tank. One of the nice things being it does come with a factory warranty from Mishimoto when you get it. So that's great to have just for peace of mind down the road. But secondly, you'll notice that this is an aluminum tank that's been welded, whereas your factory tank is just plastic, which is prone to discoloration and it'll heat and expand. They can crack over time, so there can be a lot of issues down the road there. Whereas with a tank like this, you're getting a lot higher quality and it's gonna hold up a lot better to just general abuse of being in the engine bay. A couple things to note are that the one we have here is actually the black powder coated finish, but there is an option to do a raw aluminum finish as well, and you can order that when you check out with the item. But we like the black powder coat. It looks really clean under the engine bay. It's definitely a nice visual mod just for the sake of making everything look a little bit cleaner and a little more professional underneath the hood. Some other things to note with this tank are that it's actually baffled on the inside, so it'll prevent coolant sloshing, and it's also a slightly larger capacity than the factory tank. So you'll have a little bit more room for coolant overflow with that, which is pretty nice should you need it. But overall, this is going to be a really solid mod just to upgrade underneath the engine bay and get something that's a little higher quality and can prevent some issues down the road with the plastic cracking. If you like this video and you like to see these other unboxing, reviews, and overviews, definitely head down below, click subscribe, keep up with all the YouTube videos we're putting out, and also check us out on Instagram, and we'll catch you guys later.